I'm so looking forward to leading a meditation and creativity retreat at Zen Rocks in Mani, Greece, next April. Every day Vivi is going to be leading us through some very therapeutic and gentle yoga stretches before handing over to me to lead you through a guided meditation. And the double whammy effect of both of those things will leave you feeling very, very beautifully chilled and relaxed. Every day we're going to be eating nourishing vegetarian food and going for walks by the sea and doing wonderful things like that, just allowing nature to stream into our senses. And when we are in a relaxed state, we're quite naturally very, very creative. Aha moments occur to us. There are moments of coherence, of light bulbs going off, and that's the state that we're going to be seeking to put you into. Along the way, I'm also going to be sharing some of my own creative journey. I'll read a few passages from my books, and I'm inviting all of you to come and share some of your own creative work, or authors or books or passages that you really love. So it's going to be a really wonderful sharing, nurturing environment. And I'm sure that by the time we all leave, we're going to be feeling a great, wonderful sense of creativity, of friendships, and the most extraordinary things happen when you have people on the same page doing the same things for about a week. So I think it's going to be a really beautiful retreat in April. Look forward to seeing you there if you can possibly come. I'm going to attach all the details to this video below. So hope to see you at Zen Rocks next April.